Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is the second part of my King Cole yarn review. So I had a bit of a spend up in in one of my local yarn stores a little while ago, and I decided I wouldn't show it all at once because it was rather a lot. So I've split it into a couple of different batches. So this is the second one. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it's about here somewhere, and the notification bell. You'll be informed when there are new videos, and there are lots of them and more to come. So this time, there's not lots of different types, but there is a lot of quantity of a few, because I bought this one in mind to make a textured blanket, and I just wanted it one colour, but I wanted to texturize it. So I bought this. It is actually Premier Value Baby DK, and it is £1.49, believe it or not, per skein. It's really soft because it is kind of baby DK, and it's a 100-gram ball. So it's called Silver, this one, and I did like this one a lot while I was there. It's 100% premium acrylic, and it's 310 yards or 285 meters. But I really like this colour for that blanket, so I did buy a fair amount of it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There may be more when I get further in. So then I also bought, that was a 3-weight, as I said. This is King Cole Baby Big Value DK. And even though this is premium acrylic and still baby, this one is £2.30p, whereas this one was £1.49. But I got it in the pink. It's lovely and soft. 100-gram ball. And it is just called Shade 6, number 6 pink. 320 yards again, 290 meters, and this is just acrylic, whereas this one is premium acrylic. But I have to say, there's not a great deal of difference at all. And I got a couple of these, although this one, the yarn band wanted to break off it. So yeah, I really like the colour though. It's a lovely, lovely vibrant pink, this one. I also decided that I wanted it in blue, so I got 2 of the same in blue. Put that yarn band over there. But this one, hang on a moment. Oh no, this is different. This is King Cole price wise, and so therefore it is £1.99. £1.99 is still, this one's still less. No, where am I? This one, the premium acrylic. Still less, so I don't understand it. Maybe it's just the colour, they wanted to reduce it, I don't know. But this is called Cloud. 201 is the number, and it's called Cloud. Nice. But the yarn band is pink writing on a light green background, and I know that it's 100% acrylic because I can just about see that. But the rest of it, you may stand a better chance with lighting than I do. But I hate it when they do that. Why can they not just print it with a good colour on a good colour background? 320 yards, 290 meters. Just about see it. Don't like it when they do that. I do wish these yarn companies wouldn't. So I got 2 of those, and those were £1.99. But I also got 2 of this colour blue, which was the same baby Big Value DK, which is £2.30. Different colour altogether. Put them side by side and you can see. And my cat is having a good old meow. I've fed her, so I don't know what's the matter. Probably a storm coming. So 100% acrylic, and again 320 yards, 290 meters, 100 grams, and this is called Sky, shade number 5. I really like this one. Beautiful colour blue. So I got 2 of the Sky, 2 skies. And then there was this really lovely kind of dusky kind of pink, And this again is the King Cole price wise. These are all DK, by the way, all 3 weight. And this is like, I love this colour. It's just moody. I like it because it's moody. And this is called Fallow. 378 Fallow. I like the colour, but again, the same meters and stuff. Because it's pink, it's even lighter pink on a blue background, 100% acrylic, same amount of yardage as before, because you know it's the same stuff as the price wise. And I got 2 of those. Really stupid idea printing it on that background. So here we are, I've got 2 more of the first 2. So it's not like a massive different load of stuff. I just got a lot of this, the silver, and I have this kind of blanket in mind that I want to make, and I thought this would be a lovely colour to do it. Nice and stone kind of colour, neutral. So yeah, that's I hope I've got enough. I think I have. It's only really a lap gown, but as if I ever get that underway. But I don't know what I'm going to make with these. I really like this one. Maybe I'll just edge it with that one. They do go well together, but I like them. So I just thought I would show you this. This one is soft though. It's lovely, and being the premium acrylic, it's nice and soft. They're all soft in their own way. This one is, the price wise, is their least soft, but even that, you could wear it. It's no scratchiness to it. It's just that obviously with this one being the premium acrylic, it's funnily enough cheaper. Doesn't make any sense, does it? £2, £1.99, £1.49. It just shows me that the people who run the shop don't really have any idea of yarn. They just get it in and decide on a price by looking at it. They don't think, oh, this is premium, put it up. They don't have any idea, which is good for me, right? That's really good for me. So I won't be going back there for quite some time, so do have rather a lot to be getting on with. But I kind of went a bit mad, seduced by the low prices, stick it all in the basket, and then at the end of it go, how much? Never mind. But I do have a few projects in mind, and I did when I picked them all up. So that's good. At least it's not just going to sit around. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And take care, everyone. Bye for now.